This next video will demonstrate another feature of the EasyM reader, which is the archiving feature. Every reader is programmed to automatically archive every 350 test results. Once the reader reaches 350 test results in its memory, it will give you a warning on the screen asking you to archive the data. You can either choose to archive the data at that point in time, or you can choose to archive the data at a later point when it's convenient for you. In this instance, if a customer was to run a test, they would insert a strip. The reader would load the proper calibration values for the type of test that they're running. The user would choose the commodity that they're testing, and at this point they can enter in a certain sample operator identification. And when they run the test, the reader will interpret the results. In this case, the reader is set up into a read-only mode, and you will get your results as displayed on the screen. As soon as the customer removes the test strip and presses the exit key, if the memory has been filled to the point of 350 data points, it's going to ask you to archive your data, as you just saw. At that point, you can choose the memory cut button, and you can choose the archive feature. Here you can choose to archive the data, yes or no. In this case, we're going to archive the data, and it will be archived. And then the reader will be available to store the next 350 test results on the SD card until you're able to download using Easy Export. So all the data is automatically archived on that SD card in intervals of every 350 test results. Once the reader is done archiving, it will go back to the normal screen, and you press escape back to the main menu, and then you can proceed in running your next test.